Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, speed control, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.